Hello and welcome! In today's video, you'll practice your English with a short and simple story. You'll improve your listening, learn new vocabulary, and test yourself with a short quiz at the end. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Let's get started! Friday evening was finally here, and Mia felt excited all day. It had been a long and stressful week at school, and she wanted to relax. Her best friend Lily sent her a message after lunch. "Movie night at my house tonight?" Lily asked. Mia smiled immediately and replied, "Of course! I'll bring snacks." After school, Mia stopped at a small supermarket near her house. She walked slowly through the snack aisle and looked at everything carefully. There were potato chips, popcorn, cookies, chocolate bars, and colorful candy. She picked salted popcorn, 2 bottles of soda, and a big bag of gummy bears because Lily loved them. When Mia arrived at Lily's house around 7 o'clock, the living room already looked cozy. The lights were dim, soft blankets covered the couch, and small candles were on the coffee table. "Wow," Mia said. "This looks like a real cinema." Lily laughed. "Only better. Cinema seats are uncomfortable." The girls sat on the floor and opened the snacks. "So," Lily said, "what should we watch tonight?" Mia thought for a moment. "Maybe a comedy?" "We watched a comedy last week," Lily answered. "What about something mysterious?" Mia made a nervous face. "Not horror, please." "It's not horror," Lily said with a smile. "Just a little mysterious." Finally, they chose a movie about 2 teenagers who discovered a secret room inside an old hotel. The movie started slowly, but after 20 minutes, Mia became very interested. "Okay," she admitted, "this is actually good." "I told you," Lily said proudly. During the movie, the girls laughed, shared popcorn, and tried to guess what would happen next. Every time the movie showed a strange clue, Lily paused it. "Wait," she shouted. "Did you see that picture on the wall?" Mia rolled her eyes. "You pause movies too much, but I need to understand the story." "You just want to act like a detective," Lily smiled. "Maybe?" About halfway through the movie, Mia stood up. "I'm going to make hot chocolate," she said. "Do you want some?" "Yes, please," Lily answered without looking away from the TV. In the kitchen, Mia heated milk and added chocolate powder carefully. While she mixed the drinks, she suddenly heard Lily scream loudly from the living room. "Mia!" Mia almost dropped the cups. "What happened?" she shouted and ran back quickly. Lily pointed at the TV with wide eyes. "The door moved by itself." Mia looked at the screen for 2 seconds and started laughing. "That's the movie, Lily." Lily stayed silent for a moment, then laughed too. "Okay, maybe I got too involved." The girls returned to the couch with their hot chocolate. Outside, rain started hitting the window softly. The weather made the living room feel even warmer and calmer. "This is perfect," Mia said quietly. Lily nodded. "Honestly, movie nights are my favorite thing." As the movie continued, the mystery became more intense. The 2 teenagers in the story finally found the secret room, but inside the room, they discovered old letters, photographs, and a hidden key. Mia and Lily tried to solve the mystery before the characters did. "I think the hotel owner is hiding something," Mia whispered. "No," Lily replied. "I think the old woman knows the truth." A few minutes later, Lily turned out to be correct. "Yes!" she shouted proudly. "I knew it." "You should become a detective," Mia said. "I know." Near the end of the movie, the power suddenly went out. The TV became black, and the room fell completely silent. For a second, neither girl moved. Then Lily spoke softly. "Please tell me this is part of the movie." Mia laughed nervously. "I don't think so." The entire house was dark except for the candles on the table. Outside, the rain became stronger, and thunder shook the windows. Lily grabbed a blanket dramatically. "This is exactly how scary movies begin." "Stop," Mia said. "You're making it worse." The girls checked their phones, but there was no internet connection. They could not continue the movie. "Well," Mia said, I guess movie night is over. But Lily suddenly stood up. No, it isn't. She walked to a shelf and pulled out an old board game. We can still have fun. For the next hour, they played games, told embarrassing stories from school, and laughed until their stomachs hurt. Without the TV, the night somehow felt even more special. Later, the electricity finally returned. The lights turned on, and the TV started making noise again. Lily looked at the screen and then at Mia. Do you still want to finish the movie? Mia thought for a moment. Actually, she said, smiling, I think tonight was already perfect. Lily smiled back. Best movie night ever? Definitely. All right, the story's over. Now it's your turn. Let's see if you really understood the story. Answer the questions and test your English. I'll be waiting. Congratulations! You finished the test. How many did you get right? Write it in the comments. If you made mistakes, don't worry. We are improving step by step. Listen to the story again with subtitles, and I'm sure you will notice your mistakes. I also left some vocabulary at the end for you. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.